Hey, howdy, hello! I'm alisinchainmail, and I'm going to unbox, unbox my order of chainmail from TheRingLord. I've got a couple of projects that I needed to get some more supplies for on my endless to-do list. I got more supplies to make more epaulets of different colors and varieties for my leather jackets. To make some more Viking Valentine's bras, I want to make more in black. What are you doing? Harley, what are you doing? Stop eating shit. What are you doing? Go lay down. Don't eat shit. I've got some more Viking Valentine's bras I need to make, and I'm going to be designing a new bra for my friend Anita Star. Check out Anita Star's channel. I'm going to be making a bra for her in the near future whenever I have time, because I have a lot of projects I need to do. So, let's break this shit open, huh? Oh shit. Oh. Oh well. Whew. Alrighty. Copy of my order. TheRingLord's pretty cool because the more you buy, the more you get discounted. So if you hit like $200, you get like 20% off or something like that. I'm making numbers up, but like the more money you spend, the more you save. So, look at all this. It's just a big old fucking pillow of chainmail. Got some black scales, lots of anodized aluminum black scales. Ooh, and a bunch of black eye scales, because I'm going to be making some pretty cool epaulets to match one of my leather jackets. I need to count these orders because sometimes they make mistakes, although they don't like to admit that they do. All of my stuff that I ordered is aluminum just because it's lighter, and I work with garments more, so I kind of keep my materials on the lighter side so it's not overwhelming. I make a lot of bras and I feel like the metal's uncomfortable enough, so making it any heavier would kind of be like not fun for most girls. Ooh, okay, so I'm really bad with ring sizes and gauges and everything. I've only worked with the ones that are suitable for small scales and large scales. I haven't really worked with in-between rings, but I really wanted rings that I could use as like central pieces for bras, like if they all connect in the center of the chest or like something cool and like BDSM-ish or whatever. So I got like a couple of mixed bags of just giant rings, and these are actually kind of cool. They're a little like duller in color than I thought, but they look pretty good. They look like exactly what I was looking for. Black, black, black. I got a bunch of little lobster clasps because I was running out. Jesus, this is like never ending. Whoa! Oh, these are pretty. I got these. I think I want to try and use them as centerpieces. They have really pretty braiding that I think would look kind of pretty on a bra, so I gotta try them. Okay, so just have to count these according to my order. These are black eyes. They're super pretty. So cute! This 9.5mm plated brass gold lobster clasps. Platinum silver plated brass lobster clasp, 9.5mm. These are 12mm lobster clasps. 12mm gold lobster clasps. 12mm rose gold. Aren't they pretty? 15mm gold lobster clasps. They're a little bigger. 15mm rose gold. 15mm silver. 15mm, 12mm, 9.5mm. You can see the size difference. Anodized aluminum black, 18 gauge, 3/16" saw cut rings. And these are for the small scales. Not the tiny, the small scales. These are the ideal size for these. I got 10 bags of these. These are different from black ice. These are regular black anodized, and these are black ice. Black ice for my epaulets. Hopefully that'll be enough. Got 5 bags of red. Pour some more Viking Valentine's bras. Black aluminum 16 gauge. These go with large scales. 5 of these. I don't know why. Can't remember. I know I'm going to make a Nita overall, but that just seems excessive. So my small scales, I got 10 of these black ones because I use them a lot. So these are ANODIZED clear. Been needing them for Red Sonja stuff. These are really cool. I think they're quite pretty. Got giant rings. They're a little duller in color than the smaller ones, but they are still pretty. Bright anodized aluminum small scale, black ice. I'm gonna have to count these because it's 22 packages of 10, so I gotta make sure they gave me enough. Okay, so that was my order of chainmail. Hopefully I'll have some more projects coming soon. Hopefully I'll be able to stream a little bit more. I've had to stop streaming on Twitch a little bit just because I didn't have any supplies for the projects that I've been working on lately. But yeah, now I'm ready to go. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox a thing. This was Alice in Chainmail, and I'll catch you on the flip side.